Welcome! In front of me I have XLYNE Siona XW Fit watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and to turn it on, press and hold the side button. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the XLYNE application on your iPhone, so make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone, and in the App Store tap on the search icon. In the search bar type in XLYNE and tap on search. You should see this application. You can tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Once the application opens, you will probably see the pop-up about the Bluetooth permission. Tap on OK to allow it. Then select the box next to the privacy policy and tap on Approve. Here, you can select the language of the application by tapping on the English button, and you can scroll through the list of languages, find the language you would like to use, and tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, tap on the Start button, tap on Confirm, then tap on Add Device manually. It should detect your watch automatically. Once it does, tap on Pair. And as you can see, we got a couple pop-ups about the permission. This permission is for the access to motion and fitness activity. If you want to track your progress with like training, like running and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the permission for the location. Again, it's for the tracking data like cycling and stuff like that. You can allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And if you see a pop-up about the pairing the device, for some reason it was in Spanish, but basically you might get the pop-up and it says or asks you if you want to pair the devices. You need to tap on Pair to confirm and pair the device with your iPhone. Okay, and once you're done with all of the pop-ups, you can tap on the device icon right here, tap on your Siona watch, and you should see the device page for your watch, and that means that the devices are paired together. You can also tell by waking up the screen on your watch, and you should see this Bluetooth icon right here, which indicates that the watch is connected with a phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.